program.
Hmm.
This program is taking place throughout the country, demanding corporates quit India.
Yes.
Corporates, what we want is the corporate should not dominate our lives.
Yeah.
The corporate should not dominate our economy. The corporate should not dominate our policy. See, corporates, they do not have any ethics, corporate management. I do not know a single law which the corporates are following except the question of profits. So unless corporate role is reduced or eliminated, the country will not progress. So what we want is corporates should quit agriculture sector in all its real sense, and unless we do that, we will not have any food security, and 50% of the population who are totally dependent on agriculture, they will have to suffer. Above all, our country will lose freedom, independence, and whatever freedom, independence we will be having, that will be virtual, that is not real.
Yes.
I have read, the management of globalization process, and then when I wrote those books, when I read those books, see, I am thoroughly convinced that what the policies are being followed, they will lead to colonization of the country, colonization of the economy, and colonization of the people and our professions, which are not acceptable in the country. The, the, the damage and the disadvantages will be far more enormous than what are being projected by the government. This is ultimate.